जो टेप निकली है, इसमें गोवा के चीफ मिनिस्टर ने कैबिनेट मीटिंग में सबके सामने बोला, मेरे पास राफेल की फाइलें पड़ी हुई हैं, मेरे घर में पड़ी हुई हैं, और राफेल का पूरा सच मेरे पास है. He has stated this to his cabinet and it has been authenticated by a cabinet minister of the government of Goa who belongs to the BJP.
The last time the honorable member spoke about Rafale, he lied before the whole nation by concocting a conversation between him and the French president. The French government contradicted it. Today, he wants to rely on a recording which is false and fabricated. Let him authenticate it, place it on the table of the House and open himself for an action of privilege. There is no such procedure that he can play a tape. He has to authenticate it, take a responsibility and face an expulsion from the House under a privileged motion if it is found to be false.
If it makes you happy, I will not play the tape.
Because it is false, he refuses to authenticate it. This man lies repeatedly. He lies 5 times a day.
2 साल के बाद पता लगा दाल में कुछ काला नहीं है, दाल ही काली है, काली दाल है. मैडम, we demand a JPC in this matter. मैम अनिल अंबानी जी का भी नाम नहीं ले सकते. मैम मना है मैम, मना है मैम. अनिल अंबानी का भी मना है मैम.
He is not the member of this.
नहीं, नॉर्मली मेंबर्स का नहीं लेना चाहिए, बट अनिल अंबानी का भी नहीं ले सकते.
Not member of this house.
मैम, he is a member of the BJP, मैम, मे बी.
No, nothing. House president.
मैम, डबल ए भी नहीं कह सकता.
वो जो आप
मैम, डबल ए.
ये मुझे पूछ के मत बोलो प्लीज. What is this happening? हवाई जहाज बचपन में बनाए नहीं, अभी बच्चे हो या बड़े हो, क्या उड़ा रहे हो हवाई जहाज?
If there was one case, I may have given that family the benefit of doubt. But if in Bofors the finger points to you, if in National Herald the finger points to you, if in Augusta the finger points to you, then 3 is a bit too much. I am sure Shri Rahul Gandhi in his earlier days was seeing the James Bond films. James Bond had said, if it is once, it's a happenstance, it can happen. If it is twice, it is a coincidence. And if it is thrice, it's a conspiracy. And the conspirators of various defense deals today have the audacity to raise an allegation against others. इस संसद ने बोफोर्स की जांच के लिए कांग्रेस पार्टी पावर में थी, एक शंकरानंद जी की चेयरमैनशिप में जेपीसी बनाई थी. That JPC was a fraud on the parliamentary process, and this JPC is being sought by those who represent the legacy of Bofors to indulge in another fraud. The reason being, because our hands are soaked in corruption. You are a clean government. Let me invent an allegation of corruption against you. This has been the entire burden of their song, and therefore there can be no JPC at all in this transaction.